In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and tap in on Bluetooth over here. Now click on the switcher at the top if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. As you can see, in this pop-up you need to select pair and check out if this code is matching. So when I do that, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon next to the device and hit disconnect, and to forget it completely, tap on forget this device instead. Wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!